Welcome to Random Wednesdays. I'm Kim. Today we're gonna be making the world's smallest hamburger and fries. I know what you're wondering. What is it? How? How is it possible? How are we making tiny little burgers? This is how. So I went to my local liquor store, believe it or not. They have these little boxes of where. Their candy is not really a burger, but let's make a Tenoshi hamburger. As always, when you're touching food, or when you're playing with something that you're gonna put in your mouth.
That's what she said.
Some gloves. Now let's switch the angle so you don't get to see my double chin no more. This kind of reminds me of like In-N-Out, for real. Like In-N-Out vibes. This kind of reminds me of the cup of noodles. Comes with the bun candy powder. This is the hamburger meat. Oh, a little, I don't know if this is a soda cup. Is this a soda cup? Yeah, this is a soda cup. Look. I'm not sure. Oh, look. It comes with the little textures right here. It has like the patty, I guess, the buns for sure. I don't know what this is. I scratched my table. Bitch. I'm scared. So now that everything is cut, we have to put our brains. We gotta do math, which I hate. First is this one. Potatoes. Open this bad boy up. Pour some into the tray. A bit of water.
2,000 years later.
Cut that up. I think like that. Gotta put that in the cup. Make sure you scrape it off nicely, you know, get it off the rim so you get a full Krabby Patty. Like we said. Who cares? Let's focus. For the patty. Why is this one brown? And it smells like chocolate. That's a weird combination. Just saying. Ew. This color is not cute. It looks like me after eating some Taco Bell. Looks so scary. Wow. Whee. So for the Coke, it does say to fill it up to like the line marker. So I don't know what that means, but I mean, it didn't really look like. Oh my god. That's crazy. Boom. One. Boom. This looks like poop. Alright. Oh my god. This one. Oh, this one actually kind of almost got into the poop form. No. It's supposed to look like. It look like. We're gonna try the fries first. It tastes like pineapple. So this is my failed attempt at making a little mini burger and fries. But let's see. Ooh, chocolate and shit. Yeah. No. Woof. Rough. Not my stuff. I don't like the flavors. Oof. Now the Coke is what I'm excited about. Will this actually taste? It smells like it could taste like Coke. Alright, let's try it.
What the?
This tastes like healthy Coke, man. I don't like that. So there you guys have it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please click that subscribe button for videos that are just random. Whenever they're random. Please give it a big thumbs up. Like I said, subscribe for videos every week. I will see you. I gotta go wash my hands.